Analysis of Hydro-Livability Index using GIS in Bijapur. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Livability is the degree to which a particular place is good for human habitation. Livability is an objective assessment that takes into account factors such as access to amenities, safety, transportation, and environmental quality. GIS has become one of the important tools in this present generation to understand and visualize spatial data as stated by Yu, D, and Chung, Y, 2019, in The Livable Urban Landscape, GIS and Remote Sensing Extracted Land Use Assessment for Urban Livability in Changchun proper, China. Groundwater is an essential component of the environment and economy of the nation. Knowing the proper levels of groundwater helps people in determining the most suitable place for human habitat or industrial developments. Thematic map is a specialized map made to visualize a particular theme or parameter about a geographic area. The collected and analyzed data are then inserted to the GIS software to generate the thematic maps of each parameter as said by Salve, S. 2020. Livability analysis of people's living comfort in different cities of India using GIS, a prototype. Collection of data is done by the open source which is available on various websites and being inputted to the ArcGIS. Hydrology watershed is found out by these steps. Spatial analyst tools: hydrology flow direction, flow accumulation, basin conversion, raster to polygon, stream order, flow directions. These are the steps involved in calculation of watershed. Then for the groundwater potential zone as said by Badmasi, H. 2022. A review of GIS-based hydrological models for sustainable groundwater management. Then data and shapefiles are taken and then projection is done to the shapefiles. After it is done, digitalization geodatabase. After all the thematic maps are overlaid, analysis will be done considering the whole study area. Weightages are assigned to the place according to the values of the data obtained. After the analysis of the overlaid layers is done, the complete study area classified into high, medium, average and low livable area according to their weightages assigned. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.